is our hotel for the next 2 nights. It looks clean and big. Just hope that we could sleep tight for the next 2 nights.
Go Down， 这个是我蛮期待的一间店，然后它算是一间网红店。这里的特色呢就是这个4色的蘸酱，我还不知道是什么味道，等下我们来吃。哇，很脆耶！蓝色不知道是什么味道，我猜是那个蝴蝶兰花的味道。不知道什么不同。Google Translate Failure。茶味很浓耶，很浓，就跟珍珠奶茶有点不一样，可是加珍珠很好喝。We are now at Saturday night market. The street is really long. Ban 上面，因为今天我们要去学煮饭。刚刚他们大概8点20分的时候就会来载我们，就直接在酒店载我们，然后就可以一起去载买其他的人，然后我们就一起去他们的 morning market， 然后一起去处理食材，还有学习怎么样煮泰国餐。
Ginger? What is one? Ginger. And this is a regular ginger. This is a Thai ginger. Thai ginger or galangal. You can smell it. Is called a turmeric or curcuma. This is curcum. Really good. Really sweet. You can smell it. That's why I want to serve me and come to you guys first before we start cooking together. Everybody. Me and come this dish is combined with this one. Everyone, do you guys know this leaf? It's called a beetle. Beetle leaf, everybody. BE. If you guys don't like spicy, ginger is enough for you.
Ginger is not for me because it's spicy.
It's enough. Sorry, I got to look at it.
You have the whole chili in here.
No, just the end. Yeah, go on then.
What is this?
And then you're gonna top with 1 spoon of salt.
That's actually.
No, I don't want. No!
You guys ready now? Yes, right. You guys ready? Yeah. You scared? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Charlie. Really nice.
Surprisingly.
I think without the coconut sugar though, it probably would have killed me. But
Real good. We cook with emotion. We cook with passion, okay? Of course, today you guys are gonna cook with your emotion, your passion. And then spread the oil around the world. Oh, it looks beautiful.
然后通常呢，这个时候专业的都要来抹一抹那个盘的旁边，专业如我耶。我觉得你说这味道，闻到烧姜的味道。 Done our cooking class.
And it suddenly becomes in English again.
我们还会忘记自己要讲什么语言。But anyway， 刚刚上完了那个 cooking class， 然后吃了很多东西，我现在很饱。然后因为真的是太热了，所以我们还是决定要回去酒店，然后稍微先冲个凉，然后我们大概傍晚比较凉了才会出去逛逛吧。真的是有够热。我们在酒店休息了大概2、3、4个小时后，不知道我们就稍微睡午觉了一下，然后下午也下雨，然后现在我们就要去，现在我们就在他们的 weekend market、Sunday market， 然后打算来吃一顿。夜市逛完觉得有点闷，所以我们还是来吃回第一天吃的日本餐。其实这间日本餐对面呢，就是一个在小红书上面非常出名的一个平价烤肉，而且是日本人开的，真的就是在正对面，这间叫做 Horumon 的一个烤肉店，在小红书上面非常的火红，对面就超级多人，超级多耶，可是他们不知道，其实对面这个sushi也超好吃。然后我们第一天晚上就来吃，然后吃了过后完全就已经那个 level 在那边，我们去别的都觉得好像都没有达标的感觉，然后就觉得这里真是太值得了，所以今天还是来吃回。超级大一盘 ，Oh my god！ 我本来以 expect 小盘罢了，可是好大盘哦！你看跟那个牛肉饭比起来，像不像这个是一个面，然后这个是一个汤？天哪，这个很大哎！今天是最后一天了，然后我们的 flight 是下午5点左右，所以我们现在就先吃早餐，然后去逛一逛。
Yeah, I know what you're thinking when you
外面在下雨了，好大好大的雨。
and baby, yeah, those eyes are trying to faze me, yeah. And guess what?
我们来了这家传说中周杰伦也来打卡的咖啡，对，白白的冰，然后上面这个很 pastel color 的一些好像汤圆这样的东西，好可爱。然后这个是硬柚蛋黄，这个应该是椰浆吧，我也不知道。
It's not sexual advances, yeah. I'm talking sexual advances.
原来咸蛋黄跟原来咸蛋黄跟椰浆居然能这样子配在一起，好奇妙哦！我们刚刚还在讲有芒果或者是椰肉应该会很好吃，结果就发现原来里面有椰肉啊，很刚刚好感觉，没有太咸，没有太甜。
Girl, before ain't trying to keep it on the low. So long for moving slow. Reciprocate the movement, passing glances, and I'm doing every trick that she was using, even better than she do it. I'm
超级好笑！我们已经到我们的酒店了，酒店现在就在我们对面嘛。可是下大雨大到我们完全进不去。我们一下那个 taxi 在那边跳，短腰，因为我们找不到一个地方可以进去。这个水，你看它是
是已经差不多到我小腿的1/3。